Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a super exciting day because I'm finally unboxing my dream laptop, the MacBook Air M3 15.3-inch. After spending so much time creating content on YouTube, I wanted a machine that could keep up with my workflow and creativity, and this is it. So let's get right into the unboxing and see what makes this laptop so special. Apple always nails the unboxing experience, and this is no exception. The packaging is sleek, minimalistic, and just screams premium. Inside, we're greeted by the MacBook Air itself, wrapped in this signature protective paper. And wow, it's so thin and lightweight, even for a 15-inch laptop. I can already tell this is going to be a game changer for portability. Underneath, we have the standard Apple documentation, some Apple stickers, classic, and here's the 35W dual USB-C charger, along with a braided MagSafe charging cable. I love the fact that Apple includes MagSafe again. It makes charging much safer and more convenient. Now, let's take a closer look at the design. The MacBook Air M3 follows the same design language as its predecessor, but it's still absolutely stunning. This 15.3-inch version gives you that extra screen real estate without being bulky. It's just 11.5 millimeter thin and weighs about 3.3 pounds or 1.51 kilograms, which is incredibly lightweight for a laptop this size. One of the biggest selling points of this MacBook is the Liquid Retina Display. It's super bright, has incredible colors, and with True Tone technology, everything just looks so natural. This is going to be amazing for editing videos, watching content, and just general productivity.